Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa biryani. We'll cover everything from selecting the right ingredients to the final garnish, ensuring a flavorful and healthy meal. This dish is a fantastic, nutritious alternative to traditional biryani, packed with protein and fiber. Get ready to transform your cooking with this simple yet elegant recipe. First, proper preparation is key. Begin by rinsing your quinoa well, rubbing the grains to ensure any bitter coating is removed. Next, get your vegetables ready. Think carrots, beans, peas, or cauliflower cut into bite-sized pieces. Don't forget your aromatics like ginger, garlic, and onions, which form the flavor base of our biryani. Now let's get cooking. In a deep pan or pressure cooker, heat your oil or ghee and temper the whole spices until fragrant. Add the sliced onions and sauté until they turn a lovely golden brown, then introduce the ginger garlic paste. Next, add your mixed vegetables, biryani masala, and the rinsed quinoa, stirring everything together before adding hot water and salt. Once cooked, let the biryani rest for a few minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Then, gently fluff it with a fork to separate the grains. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro and mint leaves for a burst of freshness. Serve your delicious quinoa biryani hot, perhaps alongside a cooling raita or a simple salad, for a complete and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.